Hey guys, very good evening. My name is Pranjal and I'm back with a new video. So before proceeding further, I just want to request you guys, if you guys are not aware or familiar with my YouTube channel, I would request you just go and visit my YouTube channel and like my videos and subscribe my channel as well. I would request you guys, right? So today, as you can see guys, we have a OnePlus Bullet Wireless G Base Edition neckband box. So today we are going to unbox this box. And one more thing, that this video is going to be very different video from my other videos, right? So just stay tuned with me and we'll get to know that what kind of what kind of accessories that we get when we just purchase OnePlus Bullet Wireless G Base Edition neckband. Okay, so along this band we get a lot of extra accessories, I would say. So we'll get to know. Just let's get started. Okay, so let's open the box, and I would like to tell you guys, this is not the first time that I'm going to open this box. I have already opened this box before, but I just wanted to give you a brief review regarding this product. So that was the reason that I'm going to make this video. Okay, now the box has been opened. You can see this is a blue color and I love this color. That's why I just place an order in this color only, in this particular color. So this is how it looks like. Let's open the tape. Yeah, now we can just take it out. So don't be in hurry, okay, when you just take out the product, because you can be just damage your product if you are just in a hurry to take out your product, I would say. Okay, yeah, just take it out like this. Okay guys, as you can see, my god, it's really look amazing. So this is a blue color and I love this color, I would say, again. And you can see the build quality, I would say quite better, and not quite better, I would say really better build quality, right? And I would say it is flexible. Most of the bands, yeah. So as you can see, so there is a brand name of OnePlus, right? And there is a volume up and volume down button, pause button. And one more feature that I like the most is, like, when you just disconnect these magnets, music will be started automatically, and when you just connect these magnets, music will be paused automatically. So this is feature I really liked it in it, just because of you don't need to go to your mobile phone and you have to start your music, or you have to stop your music. No, you can do it by doing this. So this is something amazing, I would say. Okay, just keep it aside. Now let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so we have 3 pairs of buds, right? So I would say that I have only 1 pair of buds, just because of rest of the bud my pet chewed those buds, so that I don't have right now. So I can't really show you those buds. So let's forget about it. And what's in the red box, let's see. Yeah, so we have C-type cable, charging cable, which is really good. So I would say OnePlus promises that once you just charge your band for just 10 minutes, it will give you non-stop 10 hours of music, playback music. So that is really great, I would say. Once you just charge for 10 minutes, it will give you 10 hours of music. That's really great. And this is OnePlus Red Cable Club. So this is especially for those customers who are a premium member of OnePlus, I would say. Yeah, so this is not for our purpose. And there is a manual guide, which I think don't need to read it. Okay, this is all about, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. and I would recommend you guys, if you guys are just looking for a neckband, right, in the price of 2000 rupees, so I would say OnePlus would be the ideal product for you, because the build quality is really great, and I would say it will be long lasting product. Okay, so if you just need to spend your money for once, and you'll get the reliable product which you can use it. And music quality, I would say, because I have used it before, so music quality, I would say, kind of unexpectable music quality, to be very honest. Bass, if I talk about noise cancellation, if I talk about all the things, are, I would say, up to the mark. You will not disappointed, and even OnePlus will not disappoint you in terms of music, in terms of build quality, in terms of everything, right? So this is the quality of OnePlus, that OnePlus taking care of their customers really very well, and I would say this is the best thing. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day.